Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add a loyalty card to Google Wallet on Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. First open Google Wallet. Then click on View Wallet, allow notifications, and you can see that I already have a few loyalty cards. I can click Add to Wallet, Loyalty, and now choose more. I can choose one from these popular services or search for any other service. Then when you choose one, you can scan the barcode from the physical card or enter manually. And then click on Add to Wallet, and now it's added. You can see that it has the barcode and the code under it, and automatically makes the screen brighter, so it is easy to scan in shops. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.